If you've been looking into Tonic Greens, you've probably no review online seems to say exactly the same thing. It's the best greens powder. It boosts your immune system, improves your digestion, increases your energy. And then, a few minutes later, they're asking you to buy it. So I wanted to do something different. Instead of repeating the marketing, I spent hours digging into the ingredients, scientific research, manufacturing standards, and real customer feedback to answer one simple question. Is Tonic Greens actually worth your money in 2026? Or is it just another supplement with great advertising? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this formula does well, where the evidence is convincing, where it falls short, and who should or shouldn't consider buying it. Let's get started. Before we talk about ingredients or health claims, here's something important. No dietary supplement is a magic solution. If a product promises to solve every health problem on its own, that's usually a red flag. The same standard should apply to Tonic Greens. Rather than asking whether it performs miracles, the better question is, does the science behind its ingredients make sense? And does the overall formula offer enough value to justify its price? That's exactly what we're going to examine. What is Tonic Greens? At its core, Tonic Greens is a powdered nutritional supplement designed to combine several categories of ingredients into one daily serving. According to the manufacturer, the formula includes superfoods, probiotics, antioxidants, plant extracts, adaptogens, vitamins, minerals, and digestive support ingredients. The idea is straightforward. Instead of buying several different supplements, you get a single powder intended to support multiple areas of health, from digestion and immune function to daily energy and overall wellness. On paper, that's an appealing concept. But as you'll see later in this video, a long ingredient list doesn't automatically make a product effective. Sometimes more ingredients create a better formula. Other times they simply create better marketing. We'll come back to that in just a moment. Why this product stands out. One reason Tonic Greens has attracted so much attention is that it claims to contain 57 different ingredients organized into multiple functional blends. That's significantly more than many basic greens powders currently on the market. But here's the question that really matters. Are those ingredients included in meaningful amounts, or are they simply there to make the label look impressive? To answer that, we need to examine what's actually inside the formula, and more importantly, what the scientific evidence says about its key ingredients. Now that we understand what Tonic Greens is supposed to be, the real question becomes, what exactly is inside it? And does any of it actually hold up under scientific scrutiny? Let's break down the key ingredients without getting lost in unnecessary complexity. Key ingredients analysis. One of the most frequently mentioned components in Tonic Greens is curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. Curcumin has been widely studied for its potential role in inflammation pathways and oxidative stress. Some research suggests it may support the body's natural inflammatory response, but it's important to be precise here. Most of the evidence comes from isolated studies on curcumin itself, not blended superfood powders. Another major ingredient is spirulina. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense algae that contains protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. Some studies suggest it may support antioxidant activity in the body, particularly through enzymes that help neutralize oxidative compounds. However, dosage and bioavailability are key factors that often vary depending on the formulation. Then we have reishi mushroom, an adaptogen used in traditional practices for centuries. Modern research has explored its potential relationship with immune signaling and stress response. While early findings are interesting, many studies are still preliminary or based on limited sample sizes. Finally, there's the inclusion of probiotics and prebiotics, which are designed to support gut microbiome balance. This is one of the more scientifically grounded areas of the formula. There is strong evidence that specific probiotic strains can influence gut health. However, the effectiveness depends heavily on strain selection, stability, and whether the bacteria survive digestion in meaningful quantities. So far, everything sounds promising on paper. But here's something most promotional reviews don't explain clearly. Even if every ingredient has scientific support individually, that doesn't automatically mean the final formula delivers the same results in real-world use. That depends on dosage, interaction between compounds, and how the body actually absorbs them together. And this is where things start to get more complicated. Critical insight shift. Because when we look at supplement blends like this, the real question is not just, are the ingredients good? It's, are they present in a way that actually creates a measurable effect in the human body? That's exactly what we're going to explore next, along with what real users are actually experiencing, and whether the claims match reality. Up to this point, we've looked at what's inside the formula and what the research says about the individual ingredients. Now we need to answer something even more important. Does any of this actually translate into real-world results for real users? What the science actually tells us. This is where things get more nuanced. When you look at the research behind ingredients like curcumin, spirulina, and probiotics, there is definitely interesting evidence suggesting potential benefits for inflammation balance, gut health, and general immune support. But there's a key limitation that almost no marketing material emphasizes. Most of these studies are conducted on isolated compounds, specific dosages, or controlled clinical environments, not multi-ingredient blends taken as a daily powdered supplement. So while the ingredients themselves are well studied in certain contexts, there is currently very limited clinical evidence on the complete Tonic Greens formula as a finished product. That doesn't automatically mean it doesn't work. It just means the strongest claims you see online are not backed by direct clinical trials on the product itself. And that distinction is important. Real user feedback. When we move away from studies and look at user reports, the picture becomes more mixed. Some users report noticeable improvements in energy levels within the first couple of weeks. Others mention better digestion and reduced bloating over time. These kinds of experiences are common with many greens powders, especially when people improve overall nutrient intake. However, not all feedback is positive. Some users report little to no noticeable difference, even after consistent use. Others mention taste issues or mild digestive adjustment in the first few days. So the real-world results appear to vary quite significantly depending on the individual. Balanced pros and cons. To summarize what we've seen so far. On the positive side, Tonic Greens contains a broad range of ingredients that individually have scientific interest behind them. It also includes probiotics and plant-based compounds that are commonly associated with general wellness support. On the downside, the formula itself has not been independently tested as a complete blend in published clinical trials, and results will naturally vary from person to person. And that leads us to the most important question of all. Is it actually worth the price? That's exactly what we'll break down in the final section. At this point, we've looked at the ingredients, the science behind them, and what real users are saying. Now it comes down to the final question. Does Tonic Greens actually justify its price? Price versus value. Tonic Greens is positioned in the mid to premium range of greens powders. At around $79 for a single bottle, it's not the cheapest option on the market, but it's also not the most expensive either. The real question isn't just the price itself, but what you're actually getting in return. You're essentially paying for convenience, a multi-ingredient formula that combines probiotics, antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins into a single daily scoop. For some people, that simplicity has value. For others, it may not justify the cost compared to buying more targeted supplements individually. Who it makes sense for. Based on everything we've covered, Tonic Greens may make sense for people who are looking for an easy way to increase general nutrient intake, want a broad-spectrum supplement instead of multiple products, are interested in plant-based, convenience-focused wellness routines. But it may not be ideal for people who expect fast or dramatic results, prefer clinically standardized, single-ingredient supplements, are highly sensitive to price-to-value comparisons. Final verdict. So here's the honest conclusion. Tonic Greens is not a miracle product, and it doesn't claim to be when you look past the marketing. What it offers is a broad nutritional blend with ingredients that individually have scientific backing, but with limited evidence on the formula as a complete system. Whether it's worth it depends less on the product itself and more on your expectations. Closing. If you decide to try it, Make sure you do it with realistic expectations and check the official source in the description to avoid third-party sellers or counterfeit products. And as always, do your own research before making a decision.